Hey everybody, welcome back into another vlog series here at our 3D printing small business where we're going to learn and grow together. And we're starting this week off with an online order. The listing that sold was for a trio mini set of the blob skeletons. I had them sized down to about 75%. I have 2 of the 3 in stock, but we will need to print the Grim Reaper, which has been the most popular model so far that I've been selling. They are these ones right here, but just shrunk down just a little bit. So we'll have to go ahead and get that one printed. And over on the printers, we have some prints done on some of the stock up of our centers. We are also currently trying to dial in our new keychain design. We're printing these face down on the textured PEI plate, so to get them a more of a stone type of a texture. But we're trying to dial in some of the settings so that there's no visible gaps or lines on the print face. We also have these little native pride keychains. I've updated the feather design so that there's no more gray line on the tip, like you can see on this one right here. We're also playing around with the colored letters and stuff like that, and we're also going to be making one more product out of those. Alright, let's do a quick check on what's printing now. We have a couple of our keychains going on over here. Let's see, on the A1 Mini we have our blob skeletons. We're going to do kind of a stock of them, print as many as we can on one plate. We got one Grim Reaper needed for the online order, so print a little bit more while we can. And then we got some more centers going on down here, and that's in the Anycubic Galaxy brown color of the PLA. So we're just going to keep printing and stocking up as much as we can since we have an event over on Saturday, and finish out our online order and get that shipped out. So here is the new product that I was talking about. So we have the keychain size and we have the bigger hype chain size. So I wanted to add a medium option and scaled this one down and made it into a mini hype chain size. So that's given us 3 products with 1 design and 3 different price points to kind of help people make decisions based on what they can afford and all that good stuff. So yep, pretty happy to be able to have done that. We have some of the black pieces for the blob skeletons printed, all finished up pretty good. We'll need the Grim Reaper ones for the online order we have to ship out. And then we just did some more bear paws on the centers down here, still running the same color scheme. Here are the 3 products now. We did change up the tip of the feather here so that it was kind of more just of a solid color instead of the line, which was kind of getting weird on the smaller print size. And this is the full size hype chain size. So we needed to scale it down to match and fit better with the mini hype chain, and so we tested these ones out. I think I scaled it down to 70% and it worked out perfect, so we'll go ahead and get those printed in the right colors. But here's our 3 options here, 1 design, 3 products. Heck yeah, feeling pretty great about that. And then we got these to put together here, 1 Grim Reaper for the online order. So we have just been printing like crazy, trying to get our stock built up for our Saturday event that we have. It's just a small little Halloween powwow, but wanted to get as many of these little Halloween type models printed, and of course get a big stock of our centers because that's kind of one of our biggest sellers, as well get some more keychain options going on. And yeah, so we got the rest of the parts printed for these so these can get assembled, get that online order shipped out. And we did get the chain printed for the mini hype chain. All the parts are done so we can assemble that too. But yeah, we're just plugging away and just preparing for our event. We got some more centers printing down there, and I gotta throw up some prints on these ones here too. Gotta keep the machines rolling. Well, it is officially time to get our online order packaged up and shipped out the door. So we'll go ahead and get this thing boxed up, packaged up, and labeled and ready to go. I did want to mention that if you are kind of printing models from like Patreon subscriptions and stuff like that, that you know other people are printing the same of and selling, I would suggest messing around with the size options. I did go with a trio set and I did scale these down from the original size, and I just offered them in the pack, and so far that seemed to catch a little bit of attention. I don't really have any advertising or anything going on my listings right now. I just have them very generic, very basic, nothing too snazzy there until I can get my office put back together and kind of get my online shop going. So right now they're pretty basic, but I think having different size options based on what other people might be selling of the same product could kind of help some consumers, decide on your listing instead of the other listings. So yeah, just something to consider, something I'm definitely going to play around with more, with at least the options that I have. As you can see, even with my own design, I went ahead and did the same thing, made a couple different size options, and so far that seems to be kind of the best bet on some of these 3D prints, on at least being able to set your listings apart from others. It's always good to take a break from all the printing and all the business management and just kind of enjoy the outdoors. So go for a little drive on this beautiful blue sunny sky day. And I can see the mountains have their first little bit of snow on top, so winter is just around the corner for us here in Montana. But just want to share this view with you guys. So back at work here at home, and we have a very scaled up blob rock on the A1 Mini. We have this printing in a tricolor matte PLA filament. So I wanted to have something at our table this weekend to catch some attention and just see if this thing looks good at this size and prints good at this scale as well. So I'll be printing the eyes separate from the body. So we'll see if this one turns out. We'll move on to the eyes. And we got this one just getting going on some more keychains. Just doing a quick printer check here. The scaled up blob rock looks like it's doing pretty good so far. Happy to see it. And we got the first layer going down on a new color variation for our arrowhead keychains. So those look good too. Alright, it looks like we made a little bit more progress. Now we're up to the beginning of the eye sockets here on our blob rock. I'm really liking the color, it looks awesome. Looks like we got about 6 hours left, but I am running this at 50%. Usually when I have all three machines running at the same time, I move my A1 Mini down to 50% to be safe. And then here is the new red and white and gray keychains we just did. Those look awesome. Kind of got a blood red going on there. And yeah, we're just kind of getting everything added back up to here. We're just about getting ready to start packing stuff up. And we just got to finish assembling all these little blob characters. Another quick progress update on our blob rock, and it's looking pretty great. Color looks pretty awesome. I haven't really done much with tricolors, but I like that. And got a gray and red arrowheads over there, and of course just more centers down below. Is pretty much designated to just print centers down there. The printers were still going when we left off last night before bed, so this is what we're waking up to, and this rock looks amazing. I love so much how it turned out. Yeah, again, I'm not too sure what the tricolor filament's supposed to kind of really look like when it's done, but whatever it is, I like this one. It looks really great on this rock. Kind of looks like a layered rock. Looks pretty good though, so I'll be printing the eyeballs for that today. Very excited. And then these are the newer colors we did, and yeah, really like those colors as well. Super good. And then we just have some centers down there that finished up last night as well. Well, we wasted no time at all and got the outer part of the eyes done for the big scaled up blob rock. So those are good to go. We just have to do the inside of the eyes now. And we are doing some restock on some of our Halloween prints, kind of. These are the big horror knives we were selling pretty good on. And then we got some rose quartz centers down there, which we'll put into a pack. But yeah, we're just trying to restock some of these. The Ghostface one sells the best all the time, but try and get some more of those ones printed, get a couple of these little packs done. And these are the little flushies. Well, not really, they don't really flush that much, but little necklace pendants basically that I put on the plates. And basically we got all these flamed and ready to process, turn into keychains and package them up. We'll try and glue some of those together if we have time. Still gonna assemble all these. This is the night or the day before our event, so it's kind of our last day to just get all these done. Here's our awesome rock. Still really happy the way that this turned out. I'll probably end up having a lot of these scaled up rocks around my house eventually. So yeah, there's the big eyes that are gonna go into it. Just gotta print the white parts now and should be good to go. But yeah, our last run before the event this weekend. And here it is, finally fully assembled. Little quick look here at the scaled up blob rock buddy that I printed. Super happy with it, and I'm excited to show it off this weekend. Alright, we're just packing up our bins, getting all of our prints ready to bring down to our event. So we got this bin here, just got a few of our different bigger size prints here, got the bookmarks, got our bigger hype chains, some of our bigger Grim Reaper type guys, and we did get the mini hype chain fully assembled. and that turned out awesome. So we'll be bringing that down as well. We only have one of that size, so one mini hype chain and 2 of the regular size hype chains. And over in this bin here, we just got some of our simple little keychains and fidgets, a few more of our reapers and some skull kitties. And we got some more of our little mini tumblers, little secret stashes. And again, we're just gonna see if we can print any more of these before it's time to go. We do have at least 2 of all the big size ones besides Chucky, and I think this one here we need at least 2 more of the big size. So we'll see if we can get any of those done before we have to go. And we got some more feathers going on there with the rose quartz. Under here we do have some of our small things. So we got the blob rocks, some little skull skeletons, blob skeletons, little skull apples. So yeah, bringing all that with us too. Here's a quick look over our table here. We have centers on that side, so that's kind of where some of our 3D print stuff is. Got beadwork here in the middle, there's the bookmarks, and then the rest of our 3D prints are here on this right side here. And I got keychains and hype chains up on the rack here. It's only about 2.5 hour long event, so we'll see what we can make work. Well guys, that pretty much wraps up this week. We're ending it with a little drive up to one of our lakes up in the mountains that we go to a lot. And I just want to go over some of our numbers for the event that we had yesterday. So total sales, we made $346. Our 3D print sales made $164.50. And then our other sales, we made $181.50. Again, this was for a 2.5 hour event, so pretty happy with the turnout, pretty happy with all that. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank every single one of you that have stopped by to view one of our videos, anybody that subscribed. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, and I just hope I can keep bringing you guys more value and more entertainment. Check us out next week, guys. See ya.